In this video, we have been given that 2 power x plus x is equal to 5. Then we have to find x. So if we check at x is equal to 1, then 2 power x plus x, it will be 2 power 1 plus 1, and it is 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 3 is less than 5. If we check at x is equal to 2, then 2 power x plus x, it will be 2 power 2 plus 2, and it is 4 plus 2, that is 6, and 6 is greater than 5, and 2 power x plus x, it is increasing function. For x greater than 0, that means x will be less than 2 and greater than 1. But we cannot find x by guessing. So to solve this type of problem, we use Lambert W function. So according to Lambert W function, w of any number x times e power same number x, it is equal to x, and we have 2 power x plus x is equal to 5. We have 2 power x plus x is equal to 5. So we need to convert this equation in the form of x times e power x. So 2 power x, it will be 5 minus x, and if we divide by 2 power x both side, then 2 power x by 2 power x, it will be 5 minus x by 2 power x, and 2 power x will get cancelled, and 1 by 2 power x, it will be 2 power minus x. So it is 1 is equal to 5 minus x times 1 by 2 power x, it will be 2 power minus x, and it is 1 is equal to 5 minus x times 2 power minus x, and here we have minus x, and here we have 5 minus x. So if we multiply by 2 power 5 both side, then it will be 2 power 5 is equal to 5 minus x times, and 2 power minus x times 2 power 5, it will be 2 power 5 minus x. And now we need to convert these two into e. So we know that any number x, it is e power ln x. So 2, it will be e power ln 2. So 2 power 5, it is equal to 5 minus x times 2 is e power ln2 power 5 minus x, and x power a power b, it is x power a times b, so 2 power 5, it will be 5 minus x times e power ln2 times 5 minus x, and we have 2 power 5 is equal to 5 minus x times e power ln2 times 5 minus x, and here we have ln2 times 5 minus x, and here we have 5 minus x. So if we multiply by ln2 both side, then it is ln2 times 2 power 5 is 32. It is equal to ln2 times 5 minus x times e power ln2 times 5 minus x, and if we take Lambert W function both side, then w of ln2 times 32, it will be equal to w of ln2 times 5 minus x times e power ln2 times 5 minus x, and w of any number x times e power x, it is equal to x. So it is w of ln2 times 32, it is equal to, and w of ln2 times 5 minus x times e power ln2 times 5 minus x, it will be ln2 times 5 minus x, and it is w of 32 times ln2, it is equal to ln2 times 5 minus x, and w of 32 times ln2 by ln2, it will be equal to 5 minus x. So x, it will be 5 minus w of 32 times ln2 by ln2. So it is the value of x.